Hello. In this video, we want to find cosine of alpha given that sine alpha is 3/5 and alpha is in quadrant 2. Okay, so first of all, a reminder. All students take calculus. Now, we're in quadrant 2, so we're in this region here. And I see an S there, which means that the sign is positive in the second quadrant. And so as a result, if we're looking for cosine, cosine has to be negative. We'll come back to that here in a little bit. But first, we're going to go ahead and use the fundamental identity. And the fundamental identity is sine squared alpha plus cosine squared alpha equals 1. We're going to replace the sine here, the sine alpha here, with 3/5 down here. So that's going to give me 3/5 squared plus cosine squared alpha equals 1. Now then, to do this, what we need to do is make sure that we square both top and bottom. So we have 9/25 plus the cosine squared alpha equals 1. Sorry, squaring top and bottom there, not both sides. Subtract 9/25 from both sides, so cosine squared alpha equals 1 minus 9/25 is just 16/25. And then the square root property means cosine alpha equals plus or minus the square root of top and bottom, which gives me 4/5. Awesome. But remember, cosine alpha has to be negative. So as a result, cosine alpha has to be negative 4/5. Alright. Well, I believe that's it for this video. I'm going to go ahead and end it here, and I will see you in the next one. Have fun.